Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still playing with this Owatrol floetrol mix with Vallejo Polyurethane satin varnish in it because I have it left. I will blow my paints around with the hair dryer today. I mixed this base color with Amsterdam greenish blue, and I added Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue, and this will be my base. And all the colors are mixed 3-to-1 with floetrol, except white and black are 4-to-1, and they will, I hopefully will get some lacing. And I have my pearl white too because I think that it adds nice bigger kind of cells. This is the thick, so hot here. I mixed them half hour ago and they are already thicken up. Have to add a little water. Okay, so I will pour my base down. I love this color a lot, and I think it will be beautiful for the background. I have some clumps of something. I will take them out just because it will have some sparkle and will be just beautiful. What is in there? My metallic cobalt blue is an old one, so maybe that's the problem. I think I am okay now. I will add a little more here because I will create the pattern here with the hair dryer. And after probably I will use this to do some details. I get this from Paint Pour store. I'm pretty sure that you can find it on other stores too. So I will add some pearl white first. This is not me, I didn't fall asleep. This is my cat that is here with me because he has to be separated. We rescued him, and you know, we have all this stuff to do with him, the ears, the parasites and everything, before he can go live with us. He has to be separated from my other cats, Little Fee and Moira. So I used gold. This is Amsterdam permanent red violet, and my pearl white was first, of course. I always add too much paint, I think. And this is Extreme Sheen Aquamarine. Love this color a lot. And I have permanent blue violet. I'm just drizzling and without a big plan. And I will add a little bit of greenish blue on top This one is just greenish blue without the metallic part. Okie doke. And now I will add some white CA and some black one. Okie doke, let's grab my hair dryer. I hope that our little cat will not go crazy. He doesn't have a name yet. Maybe you can help me. I like this for now. Look at those cells in the middle. I'm not necessarily trying to get, you know, that bloom effect. I like some lacing, but I'm not, you know, that they had to be all over like with the blooms. So yeah, I'm not sure if I like that pearl white here, but we will see. I will add just a little bit of that base color here, and I will be able to scrape the leftover paint, you know, to use it for something. We will see how it will look like, but for now I need to spin that. And you know, because there is not house paint, so you don't need to worry to tilt off enough paint, because it will be okay anyway. And at this point I think that I need to blow this a little bit, because I don't like this part. Okay. like that, I have to say. For now, she needs one more spin. It's kind of a pearl pour meet the Dutch pour, or how can I say? I like it, but I'm not a fan of that, so I will blow in these parts a little bit. And of course I messed everything. It's I like it a lot. Those colors together are really a gem for me. And it will dry a little darker, so it will be gorgeous, I believe. You know what, I just want this to kind of be more of this color, so I will add just a little of a base here and blow it over. As I said, I will scrape this from the table, so it will not be a waste. Yeah, definitely. And as I said, because it's a floetrol mixture, you don't need to worry, you know, about the cracking. I will show you the dried results from the previous ones too. So yeah, I just want to tilt this a little bit towards the middle, just a little bit if I can. I will stop now because I really like it. I will clean my hands. I have a problem with psoriasis again, so have to have my hands without the gloves for a few times. I look like now the pearl white because it's kind of cool. So wash my hands. So here she is, and she's gorgeous. I like that cloudy part, have to say. Maybe, because I will definitely play with that some more, maybe I would love to have it in the middle. This base looks totally different on camera than it's in real life, but it's really beautiful. I will try to do one and add that white in the middle of the colors, not on the bottom, to see But yeah, I'm happy. I know that they will grow a little more, so we will see how it will look, the white cells, how it will look when it will be dry. So stay tuned for the dried results. So here she is, almost dry. She's still a little wet here, you see, but she's almost dry. I'm not really fan of this part. I would love to have just this kind of a wild smoky flower. I'm not sure if I'm happy with this pearl white here, because it has some, I don't know, weird reaction in some parts. Like the cloudy look, but I think that it ate a lot of the colors, so I will probably do another one. I like this background a lot, and it's shimmery, you know, it's just gorgeous. So yeah, probably do one without pearl white, because I think that it could look nice with those colors. I lost almost all gold. I have some weird popping of gold here, but I like this part. You see where the color is over. And I hope that some lacing will show up too, even if I don't use the pearl white. So yeah, it's an experiment, so maybe it's not bad, even this part, I don't know. So yeah, she will definitely leave, because I like 70%, 80% of the whole painting. So yeah, maybe someone will buy it and don't listen to the noise. Our little cat is getting more and more playful. I still have to work on his health. I will show him to you in one of my next videos. I'm still looking for the name, so maybe we can find one together. So this was it for today. Have a nice weekend and see you again on the next one. Bye!